Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Avenue, and for today's video I want to do a wash day routine and how to revamp and moisturize your damaged relaxed hair. This video basically is like a revamped of my moisturizing wash day routine video I did previously on my channel. I don't know if you previously watched my video where I used the Aussie Miracle Curl complete set on my hair. My hair suffered the consequences of using that complete set. My hair was completely dry and brittle. I even had major damages to the ends, so I'm going to show you how I get my hair to be revamped and moisturized. So the first thing that I am going to do is basically wash out all of that product out of my hair. So I just go in first and rinse it out with some water, then I go back to the basic, which is my Motion Lavish shampoo, and this shampoo is extremely moisturizing. So what I like to do first before my hot oil treatment is to make sure that I rinse out my hair and wash my hair once with this Motion shampoo, and just to get all of that build up product out of my hair. And once I do that and rinse, I will try to get out as much water as I possibly can from my hair. You can also go in and towel dry your hair a little bit. So once I do that, I will go in with my hot oil treatment. This blend basically helps to minimize the effects of split ends and breakage, and also to help with your scalp. If you suffer from flaky scalp or dry scalp like myself, the tea tree oil and also the coconut oil can help to alleviate that. So I like to use this blend, and I just basically, like in the previous video, just use a pan on the stove and heat it up a bit, put it into a applicator bottle and apply it to my hair. And then I go in with my shower cap. I use two shower cap, and I will sit under my hooded bonnet dryer for about 15 minutes. I'm getting really tired of this hooded bonnet dryer, to be honest with you. I think I'm just going to invest into a real sufficient hooded dryer. This time I'm going to get one off Amazon that I've been eyeing for a while, where I can just sit it on top of my vanity or any table that I have in my house and just get a chair or a stool and just sit underneath it. I think that would be more convenient for me and a bit more less challenging, because sometimes that hooded bonnet dryer is a hot mess. It'll be all over the place. Sometimes it just slides off my head. The heat is seeping out and burning my neck. So I'm just going to invest into a good one this time. But I like to do that. Then I will rinse it out, and I will go in twice again with my Motion Lavish shampoo again and rinse that out and try to get my hair clean and less heavy and weighed down from all that oil. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that I do an hot oil treatment every single week. I have to be realistic. If I tell you that I do that every week, it's a simple lie, because I don't. I try to do this at least once a week, because for real though, it does help your hair so much. I'm trying to do it at least 3 times a week, but sometimes like you don't have enough time. You have things going. You're a busy woman, so you don't want to sit around doing all these steps, because trust me, washing my hair can be a long time, to be honest with you. Or I like to combine some of the oils into my shampoo and use it. But to do a hot oil treatment is very important for your hair. Every single time I do it, I see the difference. I feel a difference in my hair. My hair is very happy. So I will try to make sure to incorporate this as much as I can every single week whenever I'm washing my hair. So after I'm finished with the shampoo section of my wash day routine, I like to go in, as you know, with this deep conditioning treatment, and I just can't do without it. I said this time and time again that this is the best deep conditioning treatment I have ever encountered, and I am not kidding you. This is everything to me, so I made sure to go in with this, and trust me, this time I was very generous, because I just wanted to get back that moisture that my hair was suffering for. So I made sure to be a lot more generous with this one. And as always, I leave it in my hair for 30 minutes under my hooded bonnet dryer again and rinse it out. My hair felt extremely moisturized. So the next product that I'm going to show you is a new product, of course, and I know I was skeptical about trying new stuff, but this one was actually on my relaxed hair wish list, and I went ahead and bought it. And Design Essential is a brand that I trust a lot dearly. I put a lot of faith in them because their products are exceptional in my opinion, so I know for sure that this will work. And this is the Almond Butter Express Instant Moisturizing Conditioner. I read previously that this can be used as a deep conditioner, so I like a lot of moisture in my hair, so why not try to give this a chance. I'm not particularly looking for a conditioner because I have the Motion conditioner as well, and I really do love it, but I just wanted to give give this a try for the deep conditioning effect that I read about, and trust me, this is everything. It's still on the back here to let it sit for 5 minutes and rinse, but I used 5 minutes of direct heat to my hair, and I think I sat down for about 5 more minutes to let it really sit and penetrate my hair, and then I rinsed it out. Like, rinsing it out, I could feel the moisture in my hair. Like, this is unbelievable. It said that it's meant for all hair type. It did not leave my relaxed hair heavy and way down. It simply left my hair like buttery, moisturized, silky. Like, you can just feel the moisture in my hair, and this is like no other. So can you imagine like this and this, like this is just bomb right here. Like, they just should just marry and have children at this point. Amazing. So I love this. This is one of my new fave, and I can definitely see the difference in my hair. So I rinse that out, and then I just go back into using my Motion Active Plus conditioner, and it's really soft, it's really moisturizing. But what I do love this for is to detangle my hair at the end. What I like to do is make sure that my hair is fully saturated with this, especially at the ends. Make sure that your hair is really wet and start at the back and gradually come down to the end. It really detangles your hair, and you just have to be careful whenever you're detangling your hair when it's wet, because you know your hair is weaker when it's wet. So for the blow drying section of this video, I use everything that I normally use. Because of that horrendous experience I had previously with Aussie, I'm trying to find a different leave-in conditioner, so I am no longer really intrigued by that leave-in conditioner. I had to use it because I didn't have any more, so I'm trying to get into using the Keracare leave-in conditioner. I have to get it for my hair. Hopefully it works well with my hair. I will see. I'm putting my trust into Keracare because right now I'm liking Keracare, and I'm going to tell you why I'm liking Keracare. Previously, my go-to setting lotion was my Lotta body setting lotion, but I have been reading about Keracare and I wanted to try their setting lotion, and this, baby, this, I have no words. Like, amazing is an understatement. You can feel the moisture in this. I was worried about how small the bottle is and the longevity of it all, but you just need a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. You won't use it up in like 3 washes, trust me. It makes my hair so supple. It makes my hair so shiny. It gives your hair a great slip. You can feel the moisture in this setting lotion. This is one of the best setting lotion I've ever tried. So I was wondering if it could be diluted, but it said nothing on here about diluting it. So you know what, Sam, if it runs out, I'll simply get another one. I would not be cheap with it. It really works. I'm just gonna get a bigger bottle, but it really works. Like, a little bit goes a long way. I basically use everything that I've used whenever I'm blowing up my hair. So I put in my heat protectant. I made sure to go in with my oil of Morocco, and I also added my icy Fantasia glossing polish. That one too is exceptional. I'm so happy that I picked it up. I love it so much, so I'm gonna get a bigger bottle, but it's simply amazing. So I like to put that in too whenever I'm gonna blow dry my hair. So if anything, please get this Keracare setting lotion for your hair. It's extremely moisturizing and it's really good. Your hair will love it, because right now my hair is just soaking all this goodness in. Yeah, that's what I do to revamp my hair. One thing I did not include was to wrap my hair and to put my shower cap on my hair to lock in all that moisture, but trust me, my hair is just flourishing. It feels soft to the touch. And the last thing that I did, I don't know if I showed it, but I also went in and cut my ends. If your ends are completely damaged, sometimes there's nothing that you can do. If they're already damaged or split, they're just gonna be here hanging and looking stringy and very unattractive. So just go ahead and clip them off. It's okay, let it go, as Elsa said. Okay, let it go, it will grow back. So don't be afraid to cut off all that damaged ends. I'm gonna do a dedicated video on how I trim and cut my hair. So that is the end of the video. I really love how my hair feels. I'm due for a relaxer right now. You can see the new growth, and I think this will be great. So if you are stretching your relaxer, I don't do it, I only go for 2 months, but if you're stretching your relaxer, I think this will be great to help you to keep your hair moisturized and to prevent your hair from breaking off and all that split ends and stuff. So get this too, and make sure to get that Keracare setting lotion. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you in my next one. Bye.